company that did a giveaway because they did giveaways back to back to back to back to back to back. And when I say all you see was just Queen Alexus K, that's what you seen. You feel me?
It's JB Moro, go and get your bag.
Okay, y'all, today's video, I'm gonna show y'all how I got this 13x4 curtain bait wig from Nice Hair. Literally sent to the mail for free, everything. Didn't have to pay for hair, shipping in 3 to 4 days. Fast shipping. So I'm just gonna tell y'all how I got it. First, I am a cab member with Nice Hair, so that means I am a hair influencer, a beauty insider for the brand. So we do surveys, we join in group calls, Zoom meetings, of products that we would like to see, or just giving a survey of the items or products that they're about to be releasing either throughout the year or next month, or they're about to develop, or we just give them new ideas so they can be on track of what today's world, what they would like to see. Because now Nice from back in 2020, it's been a big improvement, y'all. Their lace, their technology, like wigs are even upgrading. So wigs even have technology, which is kind of crazy, the evolutions of wigs, because synthetic wigs, they got evolution too. So it's just kind of crazy on how all of that comes in together, because now they got steam, breathable caps, drawstring wigs, so no more combs, thank goodness, because I was getting tired of the combs. Like combs in the middle, combs on the side, combs in the back, like it's too many combs. You know what I'm saying? Like with me personally, I always cut all my combs, but that's just another subject. So I started my hair influencer journey back in 2020. I was first doing synthetic wigs because I did not like human hair. Lace was just not lacing for me, and I'm heavy-handed and I need something more durable. So synthetic wigs was definitely a first go to me, and especially if you're a beginner and don't, you want to start your hair influencer journey, you need to start off with synthetic wigs. Always went to the beauty supply store, getting synthetic wigs. Then I started making my own wigs, which was kind of crazy, but it was easy. And all you need to know is pretty much on the internet. I was even surprised that I was even able to even make a wig, y'all. So, and I learned how to do all of that literally on YouTube. TikTok wasn't available at the time, so it was just pretty much YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook. Literally, those are the only 3 social medias that we had, because TikTok wasn't even around back then. So I was definitely, you gotta have a little imagination and courage. So I started doing that. I started braiding my own hair. With me doing synthetic wigs and making my own wigs, of course, with me posting content, I was getting clients. So I did my own hair for practice. Then I started getting clients because I started posting on social media more. So being in the hair business definitely has some great benefits, y'all. I'm not gonna lie to you. So I haven't been disappointed yet. And even with that, now I sell my wigs. So any wigs that I don't want to wear, or I might do a giveaway so y'all can get it for free, or sell it, you know what I'm saying? So it goes both ways. So I love being a hair influencer, and y'all, I always tell y'all that any brand that does, well, whatever your niche is, if you like hair, of course, this is the topic of the hair, wigs, extensions, follow the companies, or if you come across a hair influencer, tagging them, go to the brand's either their website or see if they have a social media, because I'm telling y'all, they do a giveaway every month. So they don't call me the giveaway queen for no reason. And if y'all know, y'all definitely gotta follow me, because I always tell y'all how to get free wigs every single time. and with the dedication and posting. And most companies, even if you're skeptical about posting, never be discouraged, because we all got to start from somewhere. I even started from somewhere with an Android. So I didn't know how to do content as much. Thank God for TikTok, because I have definitely got my content a little bit up since then. Company that did a giveaway, because they did giveaways back to back to back to back to back to back. And when I say all you see was just Queen Alexus K, that's what you seen. You feel me? But depending on, because every month, like, they did giveaways, but you also have to follow their rules too. It wasn't nothing major. Either follow them or a specific influencer, tag a friend, or share it on your story. Like, those are the pretty much guidelines of how you can win a free wig. Or they will have a specific rule, either comment A through Z on which one's your favorite wig, or which one you would like to see. So it was just, the rules are pretty basic, but it's not going to be like that every single time, you know? They do change up the rules, so you just got to read the caption. It's not going to be nothing major. I remember one time here recently, to be entered in the giveaway, all you had to do was just post your favorite hat. You wearing your favorite hat and post it online and tag them. Like, it's just something fun and creative to do. Nothing too major. Everything is simple, and they're not gonna ask you to fall off the cliff or jump off the, you know what I'm saying, or catch your hair on fire. They're not gonna do any of that. So it just be something simple, small. And speaking of that, I won these brand new Apple AirPods 3rd generation, literally, and I will put that down here and below, because, and I won this for free, y'all, literally, from a wig giveaway. So even if it's not a wig company, y'all, it can be anything, whatever your niche is. Or if you want to do all of them, I do all of them, because I like getting free stuff in the mail. For some reason, if I get, you know, top priority, VIP list, you know what I'm saying? So, I don't know. I like getting a lot of stuff in the mail. So, and plus, like, if all I have to do is just do those simple steps, like, those are easy. You know what I'm saying? It's only taking a minute out of your day. And most likely, you're probably going to win the giveaway. So, that's all I gotta say. But with Cali Hair, I won those AirPods, and I got Future to be their brand ambassador, y'all. So, and I'm gonna literally screenshot all you had to do, because all I had to do was just post a hair video of a wig that I got. And just to let y'all know, be creative. Like, even if you have like older videos, you can reuse those videos, y'all. Like, it's your content. And most likely, like with me, if I reposted a video that I made probably a couple months ago and I reposted it again, 9 times out of 10, it gets way more engagement than what I posted back a couple months ago. So that's another hack and trick, you know, with the whole engagement system, you know, hacking the algorithm in a way, you know. Just something real simple. But the more that you practice and the more that you do it, like, you'll get the hang of it. You'll be an OG. So it's nothing that major. So I get asked all the time, like, how do you win this giveaway? How do you win that? It's very simple. If you can read directions, like, it's not that bad as it seems. So what can I say, y'all? Because as y'all can know, if y'all follow me, I am a living testimony on how to get free stuff in the mail all the time. And I love getting my hair done. So, and plus, I know how to do hair. So that's a major plus. So even if I get free wigs, if I pay somebody, I'm still winning. But I get free wigs, and I'm the hairstylist, and I make content. So there's a lot of money in the hair business game, y'all. And if y'all know y'all know. The people that know. Like, there's so much money, because as much money as I generated just by wigs alone, like, I have made a lot of money. Just even if I don't even sell them, I have made a lot of money. And plus, like, even with doing the giveaways, whenever you get the wig, that's literally content for you to make 5 or 7 different videos, or to be entered in 7 different giveaways. You know what I'm saying? So you just gotta be creative and, you know, think outside of the box. You know what I'm saying? That's it. That's all. Nothing too major. And I even showed y'all in the last video, if y'all seen, I did a PR box unboxing with Ivy Beauty and Red by Kiss. They are the same companies, but they're the same companies. They work together, but they have 2 different names. As most of these hair companies like Unice, Nuella, Cali Hair, Beauty Forever Hair, they all work together, but they just have different names. So it's like having, you know, your sister, you know, whenever they say like they're the sister companies, they're in the same family, but they just have different names. Just like Burger King, McDonald's, Walmart, you know, Wendy's. I was gonna say Walmart, probably Walmart too. They are all in the same category, like they're all family members, but they just have different names. But all the money is going to one person. You know what I'm saying? It's all going to one source, which is their family. So that's one way to think about it. And that's pretty much it, y'all. And make sure y'all follow, like, and subscribe. And y'all, I'm always giving out details on how to get free wigs, y'all. So don't miss out, because you're not following me or Unice Hair. So